LG 42ln5300-ub. It's completely dead. I have already taken it apart. The only thing you have to do is take the screws on the outside, and once you take the stand off, you have to take these two off as well. Your power supply is here. Your main board there, and there's your T-con. Power supply, I checked the voltages. You can see the voltages are listed here, and I checked them accordingly. I checked for bad capacitors, and there's nothing there that's bad. Moving on, I got a new board off of, well, a used board off of eBay for 20 bucks. I'm gonna try it out, and it's just a matter of taking these connectors off. And then you got to take this screw here off, that one, that one, that one. And the faceplate will move out of the way, then you put the new one back on. I'm going to put the new one on, check it out, show you that it works. Now I got a red light down here, it's an indicator light. And I have power. HDMI 2, no signal, that's good. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll try to help you out. I'll see you next time.